Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now I've got something very exciting to share with you today. Over the next few days is the last chance that you will get to be able to get all my bonuses for September. Now September has been probably the best bonus month for 2020. I have over 160 bonuses. Now if you've purchased any of my two bonus packs, so if you purchase two bonus packs in September, you get access to all my bonuses. And that includes the one that's been released on the 27th of September as well. So it's 4 bonus packs and over 160 bonuses. All you need to have done is purchase 2 bonus packs in September. Now, if you haven't purchased 2 bonus packs and you've only purchased 1 and you want to get access to all the bonuses in September, all you need to do is purchase on the 27th of September. So if you purchased 1 already and you want to get access to all the bonuses, purchase on the 27th of September the Shuffler product. You'll get access to the Shuffler product, you'll get access to my bonus for Shuffler, plus you'll get access to all the bonus packs for September. So it's an amazing offer and one that you should not miss out on. Now, on the 27th of September, what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a full review of Shuffler, showing you my bonus packs. And remember, if you've already purchased 2, you'll get access to that anyway. If you've only purchased 1, make sure that you purchase on that day and you will get access to all the bonuses for September. Now, today also I've got a great competition starting, and this is something a little bit special. Now, to enter the competition, as always, just comment on the video, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you're lucky enough to win, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all my bonus packs for September. So I'll give you all the bonus packs for September, plus I'll also give you access to the Shuffler product. Now, if you're lucky enough to win and you've already got all my bonuses for September, because you may have purchased them, you may have already purchased 2, so you've got access to them all anyway. What I'll do is I'll give you, instead of all the bonuses for September, because you've already got them, I'll give you access to all the bonuses as they're released in October. Plus, I'll give you the Shuffler product as well. So that's an amazing prize. All you need to do is comment on this video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. Now, also, I've got some great free gifts today. All you need to do is check out the description below, click the link there, it will take you across to the pre-sale bonus page. Right at the bottom of that page, you will find access to the free downloads. But remember, please watch out for my email and my review of Shuffler on the 27th of September. On the 27th of September, that is the last chance you will get to lock in all the bonus packs for September. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.